This is 2018 and our smartphones have become really good when it comes to taking pictures. They produce some real good quality shots. Now the quality is also synonymous with the edit. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching why Snapseed is the best photo editing app for me. So without further ado, let's get started. Snapseed has been a really popular app for editing photos in a mobile device since it had launched in 2011. But since then, it has got numerous updates and it has only gotten better. So let's jump right into the top 5 reasons why. Snapseed is a powerful app which does not give a lot of gimmicky features, but it has got the basics really good. The basic corrections are a lot more powerful than any other mobile photo editing app I have used. It can really change the way an image looked just with some basic corrections. For example, look at this plain and simple shot of the sky. Now after we get some basic corrections done with the image using Snapseed, you can really see the difference it has brought in from the original picture. This is the power of basic corrections that Snapseed provides you with. This is my favorite tool to adjust any picture. I think Snapseed was one of the first photo editing apps to incorporate the curves tool. The curves tool is in itself so powerful that it can replace any other tool you're using for editing your pictures. The way Snapseed gives you finer controls with the curves tool, like a luminance tab for the curve, is really amazing. Okay, selective edit. You can really fine-tune one particular shade in an image with the selective edit. The thing that attracts me here is the ease of use of the tool. You just select the tool and pick a particular shade from the image using the eyedropper tool and adjust it. And that's how simple it is to use. So if you don't know, Snapseed is owned by Google and Google is really into the AI stuff in the past couple of years. So obviously, Snapseed also has some AI based features. These are some really cool features like expand and head pose. Okay, let me explain. There must have been situations in which you have captured an image and later thought going a bit more wide would have helped. Here's when the expand tool comes in. It can literally expand the image using AI. Okay, it doesn't work all the time and is pretty much a hit and a miss, but when it works, it is really amazing. There's another tool called the head pose tool, which uses AI, listen to this, which uses AI to literally change the pose of your head. And these features are insane, right? Snapseed is not an app which is high on filters, but it does offer some presets which are designed for specific kind of images and they work pretty well. For example, they have some portrait presets which bring out the brightness in the face, increase the exposure in the eyes and that kind of stuff. So those were the top 5 reasons for why Snapseed is the best mobile photo editing app for me. If you did find those features interesting, go give Snapseed a try. If you think some other app works for you better than Snapseed, then let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. See you in the next one.